She has the special duty. If anything happens to our reigning queen, she will fulfill the crown.
And we're ready to announce the big winner of the night. Everything that has happened until now these past 2 weeks has led to this moment. This is it. One of these ladies will be going home with a crown on her head. Are we ready?
I think we're ready, ladies and gentlemen.
The Miss Globe 2025 is Thailand! Diana Moreno, crowned Miss Thailand as the big winner